Hi, this is Ken with WTI. I have non-existent eyelashes, as you can see, but this L'Oreal Mascara Telescopic has been a great, amazing mascara for me. No eyelashes, eyelashes, and this is just one layer. I really love the flexible slim one because it gives me clump-free results and I can apply the mascara from top to bottom, bottom to top. Doesn't matter the direction, since such a slim one, I can get into those little eyelashes. I feel like it really gives me that separation from each one of the lashes. So I got this dramatic look. This is a second layer, which I love the second layer. It gives me even more of an open eye. And this is me after crying. It was a happy cry, don't worry. So I am convinced it's a waterproof mascara. And that's my point of view.